So today we'll discuss promises. So promises are the objects that represent completion or failure of any asynchronous operation. So let's start with declaring one object. So I'll declare it using let keyword. I'll give the name of promise one, and it is an object of promise class. And now promise class will take function as an argument, which is having two arguments, resolve and reject. So let us introduce one set timeout to make it asynchronous. I'll give timeout of 300 milliseconds. And now let's have some if condition. For example, if true, I want to resolve, and I want to print resolve either. And if it is not true, I want to reject, and I want to print by the. So what essentially is happening in my promise? So I have declared an object of class promise, which is taking function as a parameter, and then it is having two arguments, resolve and reject. So we have to call resolve whenever our actual data is ready, and we have to call reject if there is some exception or there is some error. So now to access this promise, I have to use then block. So then again take a function, and it will get the data, actual data, as an argument. So let's print that data. So as you can see on my console, I am getting hi there. Now let's handle error also. So like error is handled through reject block. So I'm handling it using function, argument is e for error, and then I'm printing e. Right now I'm not getting by there because my if condition is always returning true and I'm getting resolve. Let's make it false and see. Yes, I'm getting by there. So in this way I can get the data on the basis of conditions inside my asynchronous block. Now let's see some real example. So I have a function called get data that is fetching data from this API, and this fetch is a promise. So I'm fetching my data using then and catch. So this then is converting my data into JSON first, and then I'm consoling out the data. Similarly, I'm handling reject block using catch, and I'm printing the data. So you can see I'm getting the result. Thanks everyone. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.